And our crew's approaching the dock. We've got our guy on the gunnel. He's got one line ready, but we don't have any fenders out. Coming in a little hot. Oh, and we're going to hit on 5. But they'll be able to get this one put up from there. But they're probably going to have a mark they're going to have to buff out. Some days at the ramp are just better than others. And our crew here is having a rough one. They've been at this for about 5 minutes now, trying to get this boat and truck up and off the ramp. And they are just not having much success. Now, I think the boat might have had a little bit of mechanical issue as they were coming in, which means they probably didn't get it all the way on the trailer. So they probably are sitting a little further back than normal, which obviously helps cause an issue, because if the weight's a little back on the trailer, it kind of pulls up on the ball in the truck, helping lift the rear just a little bit, or just getting that weight off the rear tires. And that's what they need, is a little more weight to get a little more grip. But here we go. We're going to try pulling it up one more time. No, we're kind of at the top, and we are stuck again. So somebody went and grabbed some leaves to try and get something under these tires to get a little bit of grip. But I got a feeling, I've seen this one a bunch now, and it's not worked so well here at the ramp. Typically, it just gets shot right back out. And they are struggling. They're probably going to either have to try and crank this boat a little further up on the trailer or take a different approach. And it's kind of a slower day down here. If you can't tell by the background, it's a little wet, a little gloomy. Not your typical 79th Street day, so there's not a whole lot of people around to give these guys a hand. But so far, it is not looking good, as our crew's trying to get this thing out. And here we go, going to get a little running start this time. And no, we are still just stuck. So they're directing our guys for something else. Maybe they want more leaves to put under the tire? I'm not sure. Yep, we're just going to keep grabbing, but once again, I just don't think this one's going to work. You're just not going to get quite the grip you need with that. I don't know why he hasn't tried putting the two guys he has here helping on the bed of the truck, though. He hasn't put it on the rear bumper or on the trailer or anything yet, and that's the real goal, is to get that weight. But they're going to try this one more time. We'll add a little more leaves and try and get a little more grip, but I really don't think that's going to do it. They're going to have to find a different approach for sure. But we're just going to load it up. Now, after several more minutes of trying to stuff palm trees under the tires, we kind of gave up with that plan. But our captain here's got himself in a little mischief, as they decided they were going to switch docks. And our cap, somehow he's gotten his boat completely sideways between 6 and 7. He's going to get the step off, but he's going to have to bring this thing back around, and we're going to try this whole process again. And he'll get it kicked over, and we'll hopefully get this truck. You can see the trailer backing down now. We're going to go through this one more time on a different ramp, and hopefully this solves the problem. Now, I won't say that this won't. Every ramp's a little different on how they react, so maybe this will fix the issue. But it's been a wet day, and we're going to find out. Moment of truth time for this crew. We've got it back on the trailer, on ramp 7 this time. And here we go. Maybe we're going to get there, and they might have it. Looks like we're going to get it out on this one. Switching the ramps. No, it didn't work. I thought they had it, but he hit the pinnacle again of the hill, and they lost that roll. One more time. And here they go. They're going to try again. I mean, they're almost there. They're getting a lot further up the ramp than they were at the other side, but here we are again. We're spinning tires. Oh, and he's giving her hell. That lets me know the frustration's starting to set in a little bit. This has been a long process. I mean, this will be edited down. You guys will probably only see a few minutes of it, maybe 5 or 6 minutes something, but we're probably in minute 40 right now of this crew being stuck on the ramp. We do at least have somebody else over here on 5 now. Maybe these guys can give them a hand to get out, though. That might be the call. If I was this crew, I would probably be walking my way over to 5 and being like, bro, now that you're launched, can you just give me a little pull and help me get the rest of the way out? And here we go, giving her hell again, and it is just tires spinning one more time. But yeah, they're definitely, I mean, before these guys leave, he needs to grab them. We've reset again, and we're ready to go. One more pull. And our guy on the dock's even trying to jump in. He's grabbing a line and pulling. They're going for everything they got here on trying to get this one out. And our guy on the dock's trying to kick the stern of the boat over, maybe thinking it's off center, but that's just not it. There's just not enough weight far enough forward on this trailer. And we still haven't, I mean, the one surprise is they still haven't even tried putting the guys on the bumper of the truck. He's got 2 people with him. But we've definitely, I mean, been on the dock for a long time. It's time to, they've got to find a different approach than the things they're trying. You know that old adage, the definition of insanity is to continue to try the same thing over and over again, like right here, and expect a different result. But unfortunately, in this case, it's not. And we're running for one more pull. And our guy's trying everything he's got, but man, this thing's stuck. And I would have to imagine now we're at the point of no return. You've just got to ask for the help, bro. Find one of these guys and let's let them pull you out. And here's our crew off of 5, like we mentioned a while ago, and they did stop them as they were pulling away to try and see if they can get a hand and get this thing pulled out. We've been here a while now. Whoa! And we're even manhandling this trailer. But they've been up here for probably 45 to 50 minutes now, stuck on the dock, and that's a frustrating way to end the day, for sure. So our guy's going to back this down a little bit, and we've only got, it looks like they're just using a line, like a line from the boat. So it's not like we even have a real strap or anything like that. So they're probably only going to get a little pull because it's not going to take much, I'm guessing, for this line to snap. But they've been almost at the pinnacle of the hill, so I don't think they need much. They just need a few inches probably. And here we go. Let's see if their hour-long ordeal will come to an end. And they're up at the top. He's spinning tires again. Here we go. Can he get over the hill? And yes, they finally caught it. We have a little success. They've cleared the pinnacle in the hill, and this crew is now officially ready to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Boats vs. Haulover channel, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.